Good day everyone, I'm Kayla Flores and I'm going to discuss the chapter 3 which is about utilizing electronic media. So let's start with introduction. So in today's modern world, electronic media plays a very important role in training and education. As a future trainer, using digital tools helps make lessons more engaging, interactive, and effective. It allows trainer to communicate ideas clearly and reach more learners even from a distance. So, in this chapter is about kung paano gamitin ang electronic media para mas maging effective ang training. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, mas importante na ang technology. Kasi nakakatulong ito para mas maging interesting, interactive, and effective at madaling maintindihan ang lesson. And kahit malayo pa ang magiging trainees natin, pwede pa rin natin silang ma-reach or tayo as a future trainer. So next, introduction to facilitating training and electronic media. So, ano nga ba ang facilitating training? Facilitating training means guiding learners to understand and apply knowledge, not just teaching them. A good trainer encourages participation and critical thinking. So, ang facilitating training, hindi lang basta pagtuturo, kundi pag-guide sa learners para mas maintindihan at ma-apply nila yung natutunan nila. So, as a good trainer, pinaparticipate ang mga student. Hindi lang puro lecture. At dito na papasok sina electronic media, includes tools such as computers and laptops, projectors, videos and presentation, online platforms like Zoom and Google Classroom. Next, integrating ICT in teaching and learning. So ICT or Information and Communication Technology is used to improve learning. So as a future trainer, pwede tayong gumamit ng mga ganito. We can use PowerPoint presentation for clear discussion, show videos for better understanding, or use online quizzes and activities, and communicate through online platforms. So next, we have principles of facilitating training. So meron tayong 5. We have learner-centered, active participation, clear communication, engagement, and feedback. So learner-centered. Ano nga ba itong learner-centered? Meaning, dapat nakafocus ka lang sa inyong magiging trainers. For example, ask them kung may alam na ba sila about sa magiging topic nyo. Next, active participation. So, as a future trainer, dapat kung gusto nating malaman kung active ba sila at nakikinig, let's do a active participation. Kunyari, gagawa tayo ng activities, group activities, gano'n. And clear communication. Use simple words para mas makasabay yung ibang students. And to number 4, engagement. So dapat hindi lang tayo lecture ng lecture. Dapat, for example, we can show them a video presentation para hindi lang sila nag-imagine dyan. And last one is feedback. Pinaka-importante. So, feedback, we can say it in a good way naman. Good job, but you can improve this part and explain mo kung paano. Next, electronic media equipment. So, as a future trainer, dapat marunong tayo gumamit ng mga ganitong electronic media equipment. Diyan napapasok si projector, and laptop or computer, speakers and microphones, smart TV, or interactive board. Next, setting up media equipment. So, before mag-start ng topic, we need to check all equipment if it's working and connect devices properly and test the audio and visual, and last one is prepare backup files. Next, maintaining electronic media equipment and other resources. Ito naman, kapag natapos na yung training. Number 1 dyan is clean devices regularly, store properly after use, avoid mishandling, and update software when needed. And the last one is conclusion. Being a future trainer requires not only knowledge but also the ability to use electronic media effectively. By integrating technology, following training principles, and properly handling equipment, trainers can create a more engaging and successful learning experience. So, in short, ang pagiging good trainer hindi lang tungkol sa knowledge, kundi pati sa paggamit ng technology para mas maging effective or engaging ang learning. So, that's all. And again, this is Kyla Flores, your teachers for today's video. Salamat sa pakikinig!